Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have these magnetic eyelashes that I thought that I would try. Now, I got a pair of these for Katie for Christmas, and she loves them. It might actually be one of her favorite things that she got. Try our latest false lashes free. Limit 1 per household. So I wonder if I can call and get another pair. And you guys might be able to too if you go to that website. I don't know. And it says, so how to wear your magnetic lashes. Hold the top lash over your eye and then position the lash on top of the natural lashes so that the outside edge lines up with the edge of your natural line. Leave the top lash where it is and pick up the bottom lash without blinking. Place the bottom lash under your natural lash so the lashes connect with the magnet. And then it says to separate them by doing this with your fingers, I guess. Don't attempt to pull directly. And I cut my hair this morning, so I have little hairs all over me. And I am sorry, and I have a bag of hair. So I'm putting this in there. Okay, so I have never worn false lashes at all. I know, true story. I've had some, and I actually thought I was going to try to wear them one time, and I couldn't figure it out, and I was too scared to mess up my eye, so I didn't. I don't know. I'm usually not like totally nervous about stuff like that, but you can see these. They give you 2 pair, it looks like. It says left eye, right eye, top, bottom. So yeah, they give you 2 pair, and it looks like a kind of a cute little case. And these were, when I got them for Katie, they were about $15. When I got them for me, they were only $12. So for left eye, so that's this eye. So it just says, this is the top and this is the bottoms. Okay, so it says to put this on your eye, matching up the edge with the edge. Okay. And then without blinking, add these. I just totally blinked. I totally closed my eye. Oh my goodness. So it's like stuck, but it's not on my eyelash exactly. A little bit is. Wow. How about that? Okay, so let's try this again. It says to not do that. Okay. And then it says to kind of move them with your finger. Oh, I'm not showing you guys, sorry. Not that you guys can see that anyway. I don't know how to get them apart. I'm just going to take the magnet and try to pull it apart at both sides. Oh no. This is where it gets ugly. Okay, how to safely separate. Press down, slide, top lash, bottom lash. Oh! If I just follow the directions. Okay. Instead of getting all scared. Alright, let's try this again. So, I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put it like more on my lash, I guess. But like in there. And it doesn't look like it covers the whole lash, just the end. And I don't have any makeup on today because I am working at home. Oh, I pinched my skin. I don't know, man. That might be as close as I can get it. They're very long. I mean, look at the difference. Huh. I can feel them on my lid, like I can tell that something's on there, but it doesn't hurt at all. I wonder if I like scratch my eye or... I don't think I have it as close as I need it on this side. So let me take it off and try one more time. And then I'm just going to take my finger and move the magnets away from each other. And that does work. You can separate the magnets that way. All right, so one last try. Thought I heard somebody. Yeah, I'm not very good at like getting it on my lashes. I wonder if I didn't go all the way to the edge, but went almost to the edge. Maybe that'll help. No, it didn't help, but I have Snuffleupagus lashes now, so let's see what it looks like on the other side. Maybe I could do a better job on that side. I don't know. So here's the top. I'm going to drop the bottom. Here's the bottom. That one's probably the best one yet. It is weird, like I can tell something's on my eyes and I can kind of see it if I look up. But I'm not used to wearing falsies anyway. And this one isn't on right anyway. This one is better. Still not on quite right. Like I can still see my lash underneath it, which is probably not what I'm supposed to be able to see, right? I would imagine it's supposed to be right up against my skin. This one has one lash that's kind of going nuts over here. So I think that Katie puts eye mascara on after she puts her these on, which probably helps put your lashes together. Maybe makes them look a little more natural. I don't know. I don't know how often I will wear these, if at all, but it's kind of fun. And since I've always kind of wanted to do eyelashes and never have, this is a nice alternative. Goodness gracious. Trying this one again just because. That's the best I've done. So there we go. Let me know what you think. Wow. Okay, well, I'm really not going to wear these today, but I thought that they would be kind of fun. And it's kind of cute that they give you 2 pairs. I like that. Because Lord knows. And they give you bottom lashes, too. Oh, wait, no, they don't give you 2 pairs. This is the bottom lashes. I'm a dingbat. Oh, my goodness. Can you imagine doing that on your bottom lashes? Oh, let's try. Oh, my goodness. So this is the top part of my bottom lash. I was totally wrong. I thought they gave you 2 pairs. You know what, though? I might wear these as 2 pairs because these are probably as long as I'd need them to be. I can't get it to stay up there. Now, I think that they do have... maybe if I did the bottom one first. I think that they do have... What am I trying to say here? Like a tool that you can use to put them on. I'm not even going to try. I can't get it, and I'm not interested, actually. As much as I think it would be fun, I can't get it. And I don't really want to mess with it. Because, honestly, well, you know what I do, because I want you guys to see it, too. But it is too much. I mean, it's crazy. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oops, I think I stuck it the wrong way. Only me. Oh, my goodness. What a hoot. This is insane. So I would say if you like to wear false eyelashes, these might be a good alternative, but I would certainly get the tulle. Because, okay, so that's what they look like, but they're all sticking together. That's just crazy. And it just went up to the top lash, so yeah, not happening. I think that's a really good look, though. I could start something new. I don't know why, I just thought of LL Cool J with his one leg up and one leg down, like on his pants. I could do this. I could be Sweet Tea. Alright, I'm done. I got to get to work anyway. I have a meeting coming right up. So I'll take these apart the way you're supposed to. It's much easier if you do it that way. Much, much easier. And then let's put these back in here. There's little magnets that it attaches to, so that's kind of cool too. The little storage container is very nice. And yeah. Okay, so this is how I'm going to look today. Well, this is how I'm going to look today. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.